Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day or great night depending on when you're watching this video. Today is currently Saturday, and when you see this video, it may end up getting posted on Sunday or Monday, depending on how I feel and if I'm able to get it edited and uploaded by then. So what I wanted to do is go over a quick video of my first paycheck check-in for the month of February. So when it comes to my spendings, I'll just move this out the way. So I've only spent on the 9th where I went to Zaxby's. Now this is for 2. I also got paid that day. When it comes to Thursday, I actually went grocery shopping that day. I spent $40.60. Of course, the 60 cents was change that I already had. When it comes to car maintenance, I did go and buy some things for the car, such as windshield washer fluid. I think I bought 2 quarts of oil as well. And after that, there was a no spend on the 12th, the 13th. On the 14th, I didn't spend anything. The 15th, the 16th, and the 17th also had a no spend. When it comes to the 18th, which is today, I ended up going to McDonald's to get Travis something for lunch because I haven't went to the grocery store just yet. So if all of these are correct, that's in pink, I should have about $87 left. So let's check that out. So I am getting the cash. And did you all enjoy your Valentine's Day? Did you spend it with your kids? Did you spend it with your mom, your dad, sister, brother, cousin, whoever? Did you go out to eat? Did you buy anyone anything? Let me know in the comments down below. Of course, my voice is a little hoarse right now. So here is all of the cash from this wallet here. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86, $87. Now I do get paid on next week, which is the 23rd. So I'm hoping that I'm able to save a little bit of cash when it comes to food. And there's my monthly budget. And when it comes to my weekly check-in, of course this look a hot mess because I ended up having to white some of the stuff out and rewriting it down because I wrote the wrong number, but it will still work the same. So when it comes to food, I did spend $73 and I had $87 left. When it comes to gas, I only spent that $50 so far. When it comes to laundry, out of the $20, I ended up spending $4.25, and I do have $15.75 left, and that's all in quarters. So I have $15.75 left in quarters, and what I'll do is insert a photo up there. That way you can see how much it is. When it comes to the total amount that's been spent, I spent $127.25. And I do have $102.75 left. When it comes to next week, of course, we've already looked 2 days or 3 days into the next week check-in. So hopefully I won't end up spending too much here. When it comes to food, I also still need to go grocery shopping, which I may do tomorrow. So I almost forgot. I did it again. I'm sorry. So in the last video, I asked how many shares or positions of O do you think I may have purchased, whether it was 3, 4, or 5. The answer is 5, and I will insert that information right there so you can see it. And another thing, you remember when I was saving for the next month bills, or when I was saving for bills for February? So January the 26th was the last day that I set aside cash for that. So that cash, which equals up to $500 $76 is still in the bank. So what I'm going to do, since I really haven't been working much this month, if I do need any cash for bills for next month, I will use that money. And if not, after a month has passed, I'll probably end up putting it to, I don't know, maybe emergency funds. Yeah, I'll put it towards my emergency funds until I figure out if I want to do anything else with it. So I hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.